Kids bring home their art. Sometimes there's just so much of it. What do you do with it? DIY experts Karla Dreyer joining us this morning, one of our favorite people to give out some ideas. Good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you,
What do you think of the plate?
And
the plate
I am
good.
so inspired by this. This makes me realize I have got to keep my kids' art around.
Right.
You've kept your plate at 6 years old.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
That, you serve up dinner on that to somebody when they're over at the house.
And it's still in good condition.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah,
Your stuff, though, is much more impressive. Let's go through this right now.
Well, kids have a lot of art. I have 2 daughters, and there is like art at school, birthday parties, at home, and parents are overwhelmed, and they kind of notice when I'm putting it in the recycling bin. So here's a few simple DIYs of how to display the art and make it look cute.
Okay.
So first one, just went to a vintage store, got some frames for like $1, took out the glass in the back. Here I just attached a string to the back and some paper clips, and I thought, not paper clips, clothespins, that's what I'm looking for. And the kids can just change out the art as they like.
Cute.
Because I think to get them involved in the pieces they want to display, because we cannot display it all.
Love it.
Yeah, and the second one here, very similar idea. So I did this over my daughter's bed, was I just pretend this is a wall, with an empty frame over her bed, and just said, you choose what you want to display for art, and then use this washi tape here and stick on the art that you love, and you've got your own little masterpiece.
That's cool as well. Now, this next one, I think this is neat because you're basically taking photographs of your children's artwork.
I love, love, love. This is my favorite, yes. So what we did is I just laid down their artwork, took pictures of it, shrunk it down on the computer, then printed them out literally just on regular paper, and then put them
like this right here?
Yep, right there, just on regular paper, and put them in a frame. So you could make these any size. I think this would be super fun if you wanted to do it like every school year. So say it was like grade 1, you could have all their special grade 1 work, or if it's like a special occasion or whatever, and it would look great on a gallery wall.
What a great idea.
So you could actually add it to your home decor.
Okay, and then we're using a clothes hanger here,
We are, yeah. So again, pretend this is a wall. This is my daughter's name, Isabella, who did most of the art here. And I spray painted this one. I had this hanger at home. I spray painted it gold. You don't have to do that. I just like gold. And then the kids can clip in whatever art they have. I think doing this in grouping too. So if you had like 4 or 8 hangers, and then they can just change up their art. So it gets them deciding what they want to display and not us parents.
And kids like that too, right?
They
like to have some ownership.
They feel important, and that's like good self-esteem.
Clipboards.
Clipboards. Again,
Sorry, Isabella. Or not. Okay, I'll hold this.
It's Isabella and Presley. So again, this is your wall. Got some clipboards. Do something kind of cute, put their names on it, and they can attach their art by the clipboard. Again, I think this would be super cute in a grouping. So I've just got one of each, but think of it in like 4 or 8 on a wall. It would look really fun. A really cute gallery wall.
You were just full of this stuff today.
Easy.
Okay, and then last but not least, a bit of nature,
This is nature.
Twist, right?
So my daughter and I went for a walk in Whistler last week.
Yeah.
We found this stick, and my husband's like, "Oh gosh, what's going on?" And I said, "This is a DIY in the making." So we took the stick, put some string on it, added some little balls to the bottom, and I just glued on. But you don't have to. You could use clothes pegs for this too. So artwork. I think this would be really cute with photographs too. And I thought over a couch, like this is very in design and trend, or over a bed, or I just love this one. I think it's really natural and fun.
You've got so many great ideas. If you want to get in touch with Karla, here's the information on your screen right now. So good to see you.
So good to see you.
Happy
Thanks for having me.
DIY.